Good morning to all of you. I am Harshvardhan, your chemistry teacher. Now we study today is the third module of lesson. Name is matter in our surrounding. Okay. Now let us take some examples. That's what is the Brownian movement. Brownian movement is the zigzag movement of the particles or constituent particles of the materials. Okay. And these movements are increases of the particles if temperature are increases. As we know that any particles of the any substance or materials have the few amount of their motion. Then fourth properties, next properties of solid. First, it have a fixed shape and fixed volume. इसकी shape and volumes are fixed. It cannot be compressed. It can't be compressed much more. Next, it have high density. Their density is very high. It is rigid and it is very heavy to lift. Okay, all the solids are very heavy. Next, it have no ability to flow. Okay, example sugar, sand, wood, minerals, bricks, iron, etc. Okay, but here the very important note that those materials whose shape is fixed, then it should be volume is also fixed. But their converse are not true. That but those materials whose volume is fixed, not necessary that their shape is also fixed. Okay. Now let us take the property of liquid. First, it have fixed volume but no shape. Okay, liquid have fixed volume but no shape, just like water. Okay, in a beaker. Second, it cannot be compressed. It cannot be compressed easily. Third, it have moderate to high density and less density than solid. Okay. Fourth, it fills their container completely. Fifth, it flow easily. And sixth one, water. This is example. Water, milk, alcohol, groundnut oil, etc. is a liquid. Next, properties of gases. It neither be a fixed shape or fixed volume. It can be compressed easily, okay, into the small volume. Next, it fills their container completely, okay, when it kept. Next, fourth one is it flow easily. It have ability to flow. An example, chlorine gas, CNG, room freshener and etc. with the help of diffusion. That's all. Thank you.